BitePRO is definitely an investment for a lot of care homes. It is a worthwhile investment in terms of staff retention and staff happiness and staff safety, which really should be a priority, because getting hurt shouldn't be a part of your job, and especially not when you're looking after the most vulnerable individuals in the country. My name's Amelia Nosko and I am the Key Account Manager here at BitePRO. So I sell bite and scratch resistant clothing to help people who help the most vulnerable whilst working in care, hospitals, education, and anyone handling individuals with challenging behaviours. I used to work in care for quite a long time. I initially started working in care during the pandemic in 2020. I worked with individuals with autism, schizophrenia, cerebral palsy, an array of different mental health issues as well as physical issues. So I am quite experienced in all sorts of disabilities. Like I mentioned, I used to work quite closely with individuals with schizophrenia. There have been a few times where, especially men would, corner you, and, it was really intimidating and scary, especially as a young woman. It was definitely frightening, that there have been a lot of times where I was genuinely worried for my safety, not just in the regards of, physical aggression, but actually for my life. I've been bitten a few times, I'd say about a handful of times. None resulted in broken skin injuries to the point I needed to get stitches. I did have bite marks in my arms for several weeks after, and some of them were bleeding. But yes, it was mainly scratching, especially on the arms, particularly on the back too. I couldn't even tell you an individual example of being kicked or scratched or bitten, because it just happened so frequently. If I knew there was stuff like BitePRO out there, I definitely could have avoided a lot of bruising and a lot of broken skin injuries.